In this video, I'll show you how to enroll your students into the PhilSmile School Manager. First off, be sure to have completed the pre-enrollment steps in preparing your school for PhilSmile. You can check the video School Manager Pre-Enrollment Tutorial for reference. Now if that's all settled, let's begin. I'll demonstrate now how to add a new student application. The school admin or the registrar would need to click on Admissions from the toolbar, then select Application from the drop-down menu. You will see a new student application form to fill out. Input the student's details, then click Save once you're done. After a student application is filed, that student can now pay his admission fees, if any, at the cashier. As the school admin or cashier, you may click on Collect from the toolbar, then Collect from the drop-down menu. Type in the name of the student who is about to pay. You will then see the admission fees for that respective student. Indicate the amount paying, cash received, and the OR number, then click the Accept Payment button to complete the transaction. You should see a payment successful note at the top of the screen, and you will be able to also print out a receipt by clicking on the Print Receipt of Last Collection button. Once a student has paid their admission fees, they can proceed to submitting requirements at the registrar's office. As the school admin or registrar, you can click on Admissions from the toolbar, then Requirements from the drop-down menu. You will then need to type in the student's name, then click Filter. You will now see the respective student's application. You can upload requirements and supporting documents by selecting files and choosing the respective requirement. Once done, hit the Save button. After the student completes their requirements and you click Save, you as the school admin or registrar can move on to admissions approval. Here, you may select the course which the student will be enrolling in and reviewing any last requirement that the student may have missed out on. Once everything is good, just click Save at the bottom of the screen. Now, the student can enlist in his subjects and be assigned to a block section. As the school admin or any account manager with access to the enrollment page, you can do this by clicking on Enrollment from the toolbar, then clicking Enrollment from the drop-down menu. Type in the name of the student, then click on the Filter button. You'll see the option to pick and choose a block section. Select the student's respective section, then click on Assign and Set Schedule. Set classes for the respective block will appear, and you can also assign additional classes for the student by clicking on the Add Subject button. Otherwise, once done, click on Marked as Enrolled at the bottom of the page. This completes the student enrollment process.
Created using Powtoon.